I'm gonna show you how easy it is to cut your own hair. I've been cutting my hair now for about 8 years. My barber recommended these Wahl Elite Pro clippers, and after 8 years of using these, now I know why. The self-sharpening blades stay sharp for longer, and the adjustable taper level makes blending and fading so easy. These Secure Snap Premium guards stay locked in place, so you get a smooth, even cut every time. You also get all of these guards. You get all the way up to a size 8. I haven't used up to an 8. I've only gone up to a 5 or a 6, but you get up to an 8. I'm gonna use a 5, maybe like around here and up, and then I'm just gonna gradually switch it out. When I'm doing the back, I just kind of feel around, and I always use a little mirror to help me out. Hello. For the 5, it's all about feeling, and at this point, kind of know where I'm going. Because it's the longest size, I don't have to be too precious with how far down I go. It's when I start getting into like the 3s or the 1s that I have to be mindful of that, just so it fades nicely. I've also used these clippers to shave my own head, like once or twice, 3 times, 4 times. So this is a 4, and I'm gonna go below my 5, and as I'm coming up, I'm gonna go up and then kind of go out like that. Up and out as I enter the 5 territory. This way it blends easily. And I can do this I can cut my hair in about 10 minutes and then go back and do some touch-ups. Actually, this is where I'm gonna use a mirror here. Go with the 3. And the same thing. So this was a 5, this is about a 4, and so my 3 is gonna be right about there. So at one point I was watching a TV show, and Mr. Wonderful was saying how he gets his haircut every like 9 or 10 days, which I can appreciate because he wants to always look professional. And that inspired me to cut my own hair. It was right after my last barber appointment that I started to notice how long my hair was growing. And so about 11 days after a haircut, I start to notice my hair get really long. So I stay in that 10 to 11 days of cutting my own hair. Now we're gonna use a number 2. I wanna make sure I could see. This is where the 3 was. It's like right before your head slopes down. So that is where I do my 2, right under it, kind of where it goes, kind of where it like bulges out. I don't know what that's called. I'm gonna use a 1. I'm gonna skip the 1.5 because I'm gonna do the 1 first and then use the 1.5 to blend in the 2 and the 1. And this is where you're gonna notice it the most. Just about there. It's a little higher than I would usually like it to be, but that's okay. See how it's a little uneven, and so the 1.5 is going to help blend all that in. Here is the 1.5. I'm gonna use that to blend in right here. So look at that, see the blend? See how it all blended? I'm gonna go back and kind of touch up, but Looking good. Nice fade. Fade check. Now I'm going to take the half and I'm going to go, just trim up all the edges that I have. And that'll be done. I like a more natural fade into my neck. Nice. And so when my hair is styled, it's going to look something like that. There we go. Yeah? You get the cleaning brush, you get a pair of scissors, and you also get the storage case. This clipper is durable, it's easy to use, easy to clean, and it's built to last. Whether you're a pro at DIY cuts or you're just starting out, this premium clipper makes the whole process simple.